Assalamualaikum. Today we discuss about the amorphous solids uses. Amorphous solid uses, we discuss that first they are used in the glass and plastics. Glass and plastics are glass and plastics are amorphous solids. They are widely used in they are widely used because they can be easily shaped. Second point about the glass, that is the glass is transparent. Transparent. Plastic are light and strong. Because of these properties, they are used in because of these properties of solids of glass and plastics. These properties they are used in first they are used in construction. In construction, we use in window. Second, we use in doors. Third, second property is that is used in household items, plates, bottles, containers. Third, we use in laboratory, where that is used in test tubes and beakers. So they are used in glass and plastic, that is the amorphous solid we use in our daily life. Okay, second we use the amorphous solid in silica and solar cell. Now we discuss about this. We know that the amorphous silica is used in solar cell. Amorphous silica is used in solar cell when sunlight falls on amorphous silica, silica, that is the amorphous. When sunlight is fall on the amorphous silica, that is convert the light energy is absorbed. Second property, that is the it convert into electrical energy. It convert into electrical energy. This process is called photovoltaic effect. This process is called photovoltaic effect because it converts light energy into electrical energy. That is why amorphous silica is one of the best material for solar panel. That's why amorphous silica is one of the best material for solar panels. Okay, third we use the rubbers in tires and shoes. Rubber is also an amorphous solid. We know that rubber is also an amorphous solid. Properties of rubber, that is first, that is the flexible. Second, that is the elastic. Third one, that is the shock absorbing. Because of these properties, rubber is used in first they are used in tires. Second, they are used in shoe soles. Rubber provide comfort and safety during movement. Rubber provide comfort and safety during movement. That is all we use. Discuss the discuss the uses of amorphous solids, that is we use in glass and plastic. Second, we discuss the use of amorphous silica used in solar cells. Third, that is the rubber that is used in tires and shoes. So that is all the uses of the amorphous solid. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.